Welcome to Olympian Cares, giving you the best in water testing and analysis. Today we're looking at the New York City Environmental Protection website, specifically at wastewater treatment systems. As we can see, this is a wastewater treatment plant, and in New York City's 14 wastewater resource recovery facilities, they treat 1.3 billion gallons of wastewater daily. That is a huge amount if you think about it. Now, how can you contribute? How can you help? Each person can help our wastewater treatment system run better by conserving water, disposing of garbage, household chemicals, and doing all of that properly. And just being a good citizen and being concerned about the water system and the local waterways. And some of these facilities have huge systems that clean out the waste. They consist of over 6,000 miles of sewer pipes, over 135,000 sewer catch basins, over 495 permitted outfalls for the discharge of 95 wastewater pump stations to transport 14 wastewater resource recovery facilities located throughout 5 boroughs. That is a huge undertaking. Also, the treatment process. When you take a shower, brush your teeth, do you ever wonder where you use the water? We call it wastewater. Where does it go? So after you're done using the restroom, you kind of wonder, wait, where did that water go? Each day they treat 1.3 billion gallons of wastewater in New York. And that is a huge undertaking, as we know, with the facilities. Also, they have resource recovery. So they take care of sludge, which is a byproduct of the wastewater treatment. Once further processed, is used by both the federal and the state governments. And there's biosolids. So after digestion, leftover solids are then dewatered, and the dewatering process is where solid components of sludge are separated from the liquid components mechanically. Now, as part of the mayor's plan for One New York City, they have a goal of zero landfilling of biosolids by 2030. That means they're going to develop a program to use all biosolids beneficially, which will help the environment, and that'll definitely be a good green initiative. And last but not least, there's a significant non-compliant list, and the DEP is required to publish a list of establishments in New York that were in significant non-compliance with pre-treatment standards and other wastewater requirements. So they do an amazing job. As we can see here, this is a huge facility doing so much. 135 sewer catch basins, 6,000 miles of sewer pipes. This is why New York has such great water. But with that being said, they do a lot of work, but there's still room for error with how much is going on there. It's always a good idea to periodically test your water.